So hello everyone, in this video we'll see how the payments and the bookings are performed. So basically in the last video we created the session and I have told you this is basically created in the database, and we can do all the CRUD operations on this sessions. So it also has different categories for different types of sessions. And then we were on this page, and after that we can fill out our details and the booking will be created. So basically this is a simple form that I'm asking and storing the details for booking, and then in here I can fill out the detail. Let's say Riya Sharma, and then I can put the Gmail account. I can put any Gmail for now because this will be stored for bookings. After that, what technologies are used? This is the question that we added in the code debugging session, so we can answer it because it is necessary, or we made it required in the while session creation, so it is necessary to answer. So let's say I'm putting Java here, and I can put a phone number for now, any phone number. Let's say this one. Okay, and then we have two options, confirm and pay, and the pay offline option. So in the pay offline option, if somebody has if somebody don't want to pay from our website, so he can click on this pay offline button. In this pay offline button, I'll ask the type of the payment. And the transaction ID for which he has paid amount. So if he has paid with some other method, such as he has paid from UPI or bank transfer or in cash, so he can put out the transaction details or transactions ID as well. So that will be saved as a offline payment. And otherwise we can go and confirm with confirm and pay. This will directly ask, first it will uh, first it will match whether the person is robot or not. So this is a reCAPTCHA that I'm adding with the help of reCAPTCHA from Google. This is reCAPTCHA version 2 that I added to secure the website from scams or spam bookings. So in this we can select all the cars related. So I can select cars. I think these are all the cars only. Verify, we can verify it, and then it will redirect us to a payment page. This is the Stripe payment page. So the amount is actually in the USD, that's why it will be credited, it will redirect us to the Stripe page. Otherwise if it is in INR or Indian rupees, so it will redirect us to Razorpay payment gateway. So I have added two payment gateways. One is for international payments, whether it be in other currencies like USD, CAD, and the second payment gateway is for Indian clients only. So if it is if the currency is INR, so it will automatically choose the Razorpay payment in the background. Otherwise it will select the Stripe payment gateway. So this is a Stripe payment gateway. Right now I haven't added any production API key, so I can I'm in the testing mode, so I can fill out the test card number here to check whether the booking is working properly or not. We can replace the test API key with the production API key, then it will work for real, it will deduct the amount from the card as well. So we just need to change the a production key in there. So right now I'm testing the account, so that's why I'm not adding that. So I can fill out the phone number, like email, and I can put anything here, any future date, any CVC, Riya Sharma, let's say. I can select the country, I can select any address here, and then after that I can make the payment by clicking on this pay now. So it will actually make the payment successfully. After the payment is successful, we can see in our dashboard that it will be there. So it will be in here. If I go to bookings, so this is the recent booking for code debugging. I can see the detail of this booking, and you can see we have this booking detail. So we have this booking code debugging by Riya Sharma, and her Gmail address, phone number, booking date and time, and all these things. So I'm getting all the data from the database that I saved, and I'm also showing whether the payment is successful or not. So if the payment is successful, then it will show this status. Otherwise it will not show the status. It will show as incomplete or something like that. We can also see payment details in detail as well. So the payment transaction ID, so this transaction ID is basically generated by Stripe itself. So this is a Stripe generated payment transaction ID. The payment date, time, and the payment method, this also came from the Stripe gateway, and the type of payment, which is Stripe, and the other one is Razorpay and offline payment. Offline payment, I told you what is that, and this Razorpay is for Indian payments only. So I'm adding 3 payment types. For example, one is Stripe, the other one is Razorpay for Indian payments, the third one is the offline payment mode. We can also see all the payment listing that is done to this person, or he can see his in his profile that these are some payment details that is done to him. So 45, the recent payment is this one, which is having this transaction ID. If I click on this option, so this is basically a table. So this is basically created with the help of and design. So this table is from and design, and I'm showing all these details in and design table. We can also make a search related to a particular transaction ID. I can put out the transaction ID to search whether this payment exists or not, and we can see the details by clicking on this option as well. I can make it not confirm that right now it is confirmed by default. So if we somehow don't receive any payment, so we can make it not confirm. So the payment status will be updated to not confirm. We can also see the details as well. So we can go to the details page, and it will show the detail. In the online, and I have categorized these payments in online and offline mode. Online means all the payments which are done through our website, and the offline is the offline payment mode that I discussed earlier. So in this, no offline payment has made. So this is for like making the payment verified or not. We can check whether the person has given us the payment or not, then we can accordingly make it confirm or not confirm in all the different categories of payment. So these are payment and bookings. With the help of Razorpay and Stripe, I'm performing all these options, and I'm storing all these information in the database. So the database has different kind of ways to select this payment, or different fields to actually update this payment options. We also have this bookings. We can make it completed if the person if we have provided the session to the person, so it will automatically be categorized inside this. So let's say I have completed this this session, I've given the person this session, so it will be coming inside this. And all these things are for categorizing all the bookings in different categories. So everything will be in different categories. So if it is not there, so I'll be showing that. So this is it. I can make it mark as upcoming as well. So it will be upcoming. So I'm basically changing the status in the database or the booking. So it is like that. So I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.